Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to make an animated GIF that makes your text appear slowly from top to bottom on a nice background. So first thing you can do is go to the tool itself, which is at a website called supertoolorg. And you can search for supertoolorg GIF and go to the link that says make an animated GIF from text. And this takes you to a tool that has a default text message in here, which is peace and justice. So if you want to just do this super quick, all you need to do is paste in your message or type in your message, click make GIF, and then it'll render your text slowly appearing or somewhat fast from the top to the bottom. And then if you want to go ahead and send this via Twitter or Facebook or Instagram or via even a text message, just click free download. That'll download the GIF to your computer, where then you can upload it to those forms of social media. That's it. That's all you have to do. I'll take a couple minutes here to show you some of the other features here. One is that you can change the font. So there's a number of kind of fun fonts here. There are some simple ones here. And then you can Artify kind of make the text itself be a little painted on. It's kind of a nice looking thing, especially with a small amount of text. So you can also change the size and the position of the text. So you could make it smaller or move to the right or up to the top. You can change both the color of the foreground text or the background. And so here I'm changing it to red, but because we have our Artify clicked, it'll have this kind of nice blocky looking color here. And then a kind of pretty fun feature is to add a super GIF. So if we wanted to, for example, scroll down and select something that looks a little bit like a red rose, you can click on that, and that's going to automatically put it in the lower left-hand corner here. And so now we've added a little pizzazz to the animated GIF. So you can change the size of the rose here or any of the GIFs. You can change the speed that the text flows onto the screen. And then in the end, all you have to do is click free download, and you can share it any way you like. The tool's free to use. It's supported via donations. So if you find that it works for you, please go ahead and make a donation here. And if you like it and you like the video, please give a thumbs up on YouTube so more people know about it. Thanks.